So, and here I gave Lily 0 weight. Okay, to be able to check out our world. So I would say it got a little dramatic here with height, hills, and so on. Looks pretty interesting. And so as you progress, you can see. So before you start, you see a progress dialog, which generates that there are sections which are 16 by 16 voxels in size and 128 voxels high. These are generated and written onto disk. So this is once the voxel value and also the transformations of the trees and so on. And this gets loaded if you go around here. So in theory, the circle could be enlarged, but I have to check here on my system that it still stays, it's playable without frame drop. So it feels smoothly. This was the hardest part here. Now in Godot it's not that easy to run threads in parallel because you can't do all in threads. So I had to think very good what I do in threads and what I do inside one frame.